I don't believe it. I was told the same thing last year.
Mary Davis is among more than 50 patients here at the Rehabilitation Center of St. Petersburg to be hand-delivered this letter today from Florida's Agency for Healthcare Administration, telling them they're stopping Medicaid funding to the facility. Translation, patients must find a new place to live in the next 7 days.
They were given this letter, and most of them have a medical incapacity, and they could not comprehend what's in the letter at all.
And to understand why, you have to go back to last year. These documents filed in federal court show a survey by the state agency found unsanitary living conditions and unlocked medication cards. The agency says it allowed facility administrators time to correct these alleged issues instead of suspending funding. But agency representatives say the facility did not come into compliance. Then, in March of 2014, a registered sex offender was admitted and placed in a room with a paralyzed patient. According to the documents, that patient was not told of his roommate's past, and the sex offender attempted to sexually molest the paralyzed patient. Some patients are defending the facility.
No issues.
But ACA reps say they found more trouble in July of last year, when an incapacitated patient was able to walk off the secure property and was later found at a bus stop.
None of my patients have been directly affected, and if they were, I would have moved them.
ACA tried suspending payments last year, but the parent company of the facility, Bayou Shores, filed for bankruptcy, a federal court allowing an injunction to be passed against the agency, preventing the suspension of federal funds. But in recent months, a federal appeals court ruled that the injunction was not valid, meaning patients, 11 of whom Fernando Gutierrez oversees, must go.
I have to somehow in 7 days find a home for them.
In St. Petersburg, Jacqueline Ingles, ABC Action News.